Having a phone with a quality battery has always been one of our needs, because for doing many and long tasks, phones with long battery life are suitable. Today in this video, we have selected 5 of the best phones with long battery life, and we'll take a brief look at each one. So without wasting time, let's get into the first one. The iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is very popular among people, has a glass back and a titanium frame. Despite being a heavy phone, it fits comfortably in the hand and is not bothersome. The display of this device is an LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED panel that supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision, also supports the 120Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits brightness. The display size is 6.7 inches with a pixel density of 460 ppi. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes with iOS 17 and is upgradable to iOS 17.5.1 and planned to support iOS 18 as well. The chipset is the 3nm Apple A17 Pro, and the GPU is the 6-core Apple GPU, providing exceptional power overall. The iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in various versions with 256, 512, and 1TB storage, but all versions have 8GB of RAM. On the back, the device has a 48MP main lens, two 12MP ultra-wide and pre-scope telephoto lenses, and a deep scanner. The selfie lens is 12MP. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a 4448 mAh battery that supports 15 wireless charging and wired reverse charging too. It should be noted that this device reaches 15% charge in 13 minutes with wired charging and has excellent battery life overall. Finally, with all these specifications, this device is priced at around $916. But let's see which phones have better battery life compared to this one. The next phone is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is considered a large and heavy phone, but due to its glass back and titanium frame, it fits comfortably in the hand and it's not too bothersome. The display of this device is a dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X that supports a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus with brightness going up to 2600 nits. The display size is 6.8 inches with a pixel density of 505 ppi. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with Android 14 and One UI 6.1.1. The chipset is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and the GPU is the Adreno 750, providing exceptional power overall. This device comes in various versions with 256, 512 and 1TB internal storage and all with 12GB of RAM. The internal storage type is UFS 4, which significantly boosts the device's speed. Looking at the cameras, this device has a 200MP main lens, a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 50MP pre-scope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens that covers up to 120 degrees. The front camera is 12MP too. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 5000 mAh battery that supports 45W charging, allowing it to reach 65% in 30 minutes. It also supports 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The next phone on our list is the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This device is slightly lighter compared to the previous two phones. Its back is made of glass and its frame of aluminum, making it comfortable to hold due to its compact design. The display is an LTPO OLED that supports a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus with brightness going up to 2400 nits. The display size is 6.7 inches with a pixel density of 489 ppi. The Pixel 8 Pro comes with Android 14 and its chipset is the Google Tensor G3 with the Immortalis G715S MC10 GPU, which handles heavy games easily. This device comes in versions with 128, 256, 512 and 1TB of internal storage, and all with 12GB of RAM, and uses UFS 3.1 storage, providing good speed. On the back, there is a 50MP main lens, a 48MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 48MP ultra-wide lens that covers up to 126 degrees. The front camera is 10.5MP. The Pixel 8 Pro performs very well in terms of battery with a 5050 mAh battery supporting 30W fast charging, which can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. It also supports 23W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging too. Overall, this phone with its unique design, excellent display, and very good processing power is priced at around $585. Guys, before we move on to the next phone, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel. Thanks. The phone ranked second on our list is the Motorola Edge Plus 2023. While its design might seem outdated to many, its specifications will definitely impress you. This phone is lighter than all the phones introduced so far, and you hardly feel fatigue. The back is made of glass and the frame of aluminum, and the curved display with very thin bezels gives a great user experience. The display is an OLED that supports a 165Hz refresh rate, HDR10 Plus, and Dolby Vision. The display size is 6.67 inches with a brightness of 1300 nits and the pixel density of 395 ppi, protected by Gorilla Glass with TAS. The Edge Plus comes with Android 13 and is upgradable to Android 14. The chipset is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the GPU is the Adreno 714, providing high power overall. This device comes in one version with 512GB internal storage and 8GB of RAM and doesn't support external memory cards, but its storage type is UFS 4, so we can experience a high speed with this phone. On the back, there is a 50MP wide lens, a 12MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide lens. The front camera is 60MP. In terms of battery, this device has a 5100 mAh battery supporting 68W fast charging, along with 15W wireless charging, 5W wired reverse charging, and 5W wireless reverse charging. Overall, this device with an excellent display, great processing power, and superb cameras is priced at around $477. The top phone on our list is the Red Magic 9 Pro. This device has a very detailed and unique design and is considered a heavy phone at around 230 grams. The Red Magic 9 Pro has a glass back, an aluminum frame, and a built-in cooling fan. The display is an AMOLED that supports 120Hz refresh rate with brightness up to 1600 nits. The 6.8-inch display has a pixel density of 400 ppi, protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The Red Magic 9 Pro comes with Red Magic OS 9 based on Android 14. It features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Adreno 715 GPU, providing very high power together. This phone comes in various versions, and its storage type is UFS 4, enhancing read and write speeds. On the back, there is a 50MP wide lens, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP micro lens. The front camera is 60MP and is located under the display. This phone excels in battery performance with a 6500 mAh battery, supporting 80W fast charging and fully charging in 35 minutes. So, with an outstanding design, very high quality display, and overall powerful phone, it's priced at around $750. Well guys, these were the 5 best phones with long battery life. And it's true that these phones are not very cheap, but the main goal of this video was to showcase phones with durable batteries. However, there are also videos about budget phones on our channel, and we try to select phones from different brands. I hope you enjoyed this video and make sure to watch the videos appearing on the screen and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.